Everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share another one of my favorite cashback apps. It's called TopCashBack. Previously, I shared another app. It's called Rakuten, and that one was a very good app as well. So I'm just going to put a link right on top here so you can check out the other video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. For this channel, I will share some of the tips on how to save money. If you're interested on this type of topic, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. So I'm going to show you how to actually sign up for the TopCashBack. I'm going to put the referral link right below the video under the video description. So you can just click right through and go to the page. I already have a copy, so I will just come right to my internet page and paste it right there. So once you click the referral link, then you can just put your email and create your password and then hit join free. And then you're all set to go. Once you sign up, don't forget to go to the App Store or your Apple Store, download the app. I believe that's more convenient if you shop on the phone. And otherwise, you can definitely do the online version or your computer version as well. And the app looks just like this. Why don't we just hop right on and show you how it works. So once you're on the app, it will just ask you to log in. Why don't you just put your password and your email, just like how you sign up. Okay, now we are on the home page here. Very simple laid out. The first one on top here will just show you the special offer that they're having right now, or the popular offers that they're offering. And then right below it says recently viewed, so it will have the record or showed where you shop currently. And also we have the top offers. You can click on to check if your favorite store has an offer or not. Then you have some special category advertisement right here. In the middle, it says health and beauty. And then it will show like the trending stores that people are shopping at or where they have special offers. And then fashions, so different categories is shown here, what they have on special. And so also they have travel deals. And how this works is that you can definitely just click on, for example, if you want to go shop at Walgreens, just click right on Walgreens and then choose one of the offers. So if you're shopping for contact lenses, just click cashback and it will take you right to Walgreens website and you can just shop right on that website. How cool is that? You don't need to do anything or just one step extra. Just go onto your TopCashBack app, go into Walgreens and click on the offer, shop right straight from the Walgreens website. And then once you're done shopping, that shopping trip will be saved straight into your TopCashBack app. Okay, let's go back to the app. Otherwise, if you don't want to look through like which store to shop, and if you have a store in mind, just go right into the search bar, type it in. For example, Macy's. Just click right there and it pops up. Shows Macy's right now is having a 6% cashback. If you would like to do the offer, just click right to it and it takes you to the website. Okay? And let's go back. And on the left top corner, the three bars right there, the three bar menus, it will show like different ones you can click into. For example, home is the first one. If you want to go back to the home page, and categories, it just have all these different categories. If you're not sure what it is, you can definitely go in and browse around. And the next one, my account, I can definitely show you my earnings so far. Recently, I haven't really used this app because recently I mainly used Rakuten, and you can only use one app at a time when you shop and earn cashback online. But look at my numbers. I total earned $5,800 plus from this TopCashBack app, which is crazy. I think I have this app for probably 3 or 4 years, so averaging about $1,000 a year savings. So that is super. And you might ask me this question, like when do you shop using Rakuten? When do you use TopCashBack? Definitely your own preference. When I first started, I have both apps. I do compare them because sometimes Rakuten have better deals on the cashback. Sometimes they have 12% on, for example, Macy's, and TopCashback only have 3%. Then I will go straight to Rakuten app to use that to shop. And sometimes it's different. Sometimes Rakuten offering 2% for Walgreens, and then maybe TopCashback's offering 6%. So but after I use this apps longer, I don't do the comparison anymore, as no, I'm not gonna waste my time comparing two apps when I really just shopping for one little item or such. And especially Rakuten have that web browser extension, which is very convenient in my opinion. And if you want to know more what it is, just click right to my Rakuten video. You will see what I mean. Yeah, that's why I have been using Rakuten more often lately. But this TopCashBack app is definitely a great money saving app as well. Okay, let's go back. So under your accounts, you can definitely choose your favorite stores, which I already did. So it's all saved on here. It's a shortcut. You can just come straight here to shop if you like. Yeah, that's mainly what I was going to show you. So this Cashback app is definitely a must to download if you would like to save some money when you're shopping online. Give it a try, right? If you want to save a buck here and there, why not? Especially if you look at what I have saved so far, the cashback, over $5,000. So it's worth it if you shop a lot online. I think it's worth to try any kind of resource to save money. So yeah, have fun, download the app, and save money. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.